Hey,
In a rare and electrifying moment, a lightning bolt struck the Guatemalan sky, merging with the fiery eruption of a volcano, illuminating the heavens with nature's pure, untamed energy. People scrambled in chaos as the storm rolled in, leaving behind a scene straight out of a disaster movie. Hurricane Hillary left its mark with a landslide that buried roads in Southern California. Yet with resilience and rapid response efforts, the situation was quickly brought under control, a testament to human strength and unity in challenging times.
¡Guarda, guarda, 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 guarda! ¡Fuera, fuera, fuera, fuera! ¡Fuera!
Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
Here we go. Where do we get the boom?
And they back in
Video. Ready, pal? Yeah.